Are you looking to build a stunning website without breaking the bank? If so, you've probably heard of WIX, the popular website builder that promises ease and flexibility. But here's the million-dollar question. Is WIX really free? Let's dive in and uncover the truth behind WIX's pricing model. WIX does offer a free plan, but it comes with limitations. You can create a fully functional website using its drag-and-drop editor, perfect for beginners or small projects. However, your site will include WIX-branded ads, and you won't get a custom domain. For more advanced features like e-commerce tools, ad-free browsing, and SEO capabilities, you'll need one of WIX's premium plans, which start at $16 per month. While the free version is great for testing, upgrading unlocks true potential. So, is WIX free? Yes, but with strings attached. If you're ready to grow your online presence, investing in a paid plan might be worth it. Share your thoughts below. Have you tried WIX's free plan? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your dream website.